How do you benchmark your new PC build to confirm performance? Imagine turning on your brand new gaming PC for the first time and wondering if it's running as fast as it should. Benchmark is the way to find out. It's like giving your computer a test to see how well it performs under different conditions. To start, you want to run synthetic benchmarks. These are special tests that push your system to its limits and give you clear scores. The most popular one for gaming is called 3D Mark. It has tests like fire, strike, and time spy that stress your graphics card and processor. These tests show how your system handles demanding graphics and give you scores to compare with other setups. Next, you can use Cinebench to check your CPU's performance. It renders a complex image and measures how fast your processor works, especially if you plan to stream or do heavy multitasking. After synthetic tests, it's time for real-world benchmark. Many modern games have built-in benchmark tools that run a set sequence and measure your average frame rate. This shows how smoothly your game will run in actual play. To get detailed data like frames per second and frame time, use tools like MSI Afterburner. It overlays real-time stats on your screen so you can see how your system performs during gameplay. Before running these tests, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date and close any background programs that could interfere. Test at different resolutions like 1080p, 1440p, and for degrees Kelvin, depending on your gaming setup. Also, keep an eye on temperatures and power usage during testing to ensure your cooling system and power supply are working well. You can stress test individual components like the CPU and GPU separately to check stability. Comparing your results with published benchmarks for similar hardware helps confirm your build is performing as expected. By combining synthetic benchmarks like 3D Mark and Cinebench with real-world game tests and monitoring tools, you can confidently verify your new PC's performance and make sure it's ready for gaming at the level you want.